Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning how to digitize certain features on a map. Okay, so that is point, line, and polygon. We'll be learning in this particular period how to create a point feature, how to create a polygon feature, and how to create a line feature. Okay, so once we know how to create this point, line, and polygon feature, we can digitize a complete map. Okay, so this is a topo sheet which has been downloaded. Okay, now this topo sheet has already been georeferenced. As you can see, it's 94 degree 26 minute 47. In this way, if we keep on moving, we see the latitude and longitude, it goes on changing. Okay, in order to confirm, okay, if somehow তোমালোকে যে দেখিছে যে latitude longitude ইমান ভাল দেখা নাই, then what you will do, you have this particular option EPSG. Okay, then you click on general. After clicking on general, you have this option that is display coordinate. You select degree, minute, and second. Okay, after selecting, click on apply, then okay. Okay, then here your coordinate will be shown in degree, minute, and degree, minute, and second. Okay, so let us now digitize the point, line, and polygon feature. So before polygonizing or before digitizing this feature, let us see what are the feature that we can digitize. Okay, আমি ইয়াত কি ধৰণৰ আমি featuresবোৰ digitize কৰিব পাৰিম. So let me just zoom it. Okay, so okay, so after reaching the end point, just click right click. Okay, so give the id number as 1, then click on ok. Okay, so this has been digitized. Okay, now let us, so you can see the river has been shown with the this particular red color. That means what, this river has been represented or it has been digitized with the help of line feature. Okay, so in this way, if you want more, okay, you can digitize this river also. Okay, according to your need. Now let us go with the another layer that is called as the polygon. Okay, for this again we'll be creating another layer. So this is layer, then create, then new shape file. Okay, then the file name would be like what file, what shape we are creating. We are creating polygon shape, but what is the name of the feature? The name of the feature is wetland. Okay, so I'll give us wetland from topo. Okay, then click on save. So what would be the geometry type? The geometry type would be polygon. Okay, so I don't want to give the name. Okay, then click on, if you want to give the name, then you can add as name. Okay, if you know the name of the wetland, then you can add this particular option, then click on add to list, then okay. Now let us zoom it. Suppose from here I'll be polygonizing few wetland. Let me polygonize this Dherua bill and this Hakalai bill. Okay, so I'll be polygonizing this two wetland, or let me okay, this one is okay. Done. So I'll go to this particular option. Then here we find this polygon option, click on it, and after clicking you can polygonize this bill. Okay, the name of the bill is Dherwa bill. So the ID is number 3 and the name of the bill is Bokha bill. BHOK, Bokha. Then click on, okay, then click on save. Okay, so now we can see we have completed with the line feature, we have completed with the polygon feature. Now let us go with the point feature. Okay, and for point feature we have selected the settlement nearby to this area. So for this again we will create another layer. So this is create layer, the new shape file. Okay, then the name of the feature is settlement, and that we are doing from the topo sheet. Then click on save. Okay, then the geometry type would be point. Okay, so this already has been set when we have done the georeferencing. So I don't want the name because naming the settlement is not is something which is not required, so we'll not add this field. Just click on OK. Okay, so now I choose the settlement near to this area. Okay, let me choose all the settlement which is near to here. Okay, these are, no need to select each and every one, just you can select few. Okay, then add the point feature, then just click on wherever you want. Okay, so this is ID number 1. Okay, okay, then this is again ID number 2 in this way, then suppose ID number 3. Okay, then click on save. Okay, so these are the points. Then for the properties, you have to select the feature where to which you want to change the the characteristic or the property. Suppose I am selecting this river. Okay, so I want to change the color of this particular river and the width of the river. Okay, then the color is this one, you have to select this one first. Okay, then the color I want is like blue color. Okay, I want this particular blue color for river, and this stroke width means what, the border. Okay, river যদি তুমি border দিব বিচাৰিছা, then you can give this one. Then the border যিটো width হ'ব, কিমান width তোমালোকে বিচাৰিছা, you can give it. Now one more thing I want to see is I can increase the size. So for changing the color you have to select a simple line, then you select the color. If you want a border to river jodi border ta dibo bicharise then tumalage border color to ki bicharise hetu dibo para. Okay, aru tumalage he border width to kiman bicharise. Okay, then if you want to increase the size of the river, jodi river size to width to increase kori bicharise, then at line select koriba. Yete width bile eta option paba, you can increase the width. Okay, if you see this one, the width is increasing. Okay, so okay, this much is enough. Then I will click on apply. Then you see the reverse width has been increased. Okay, similarly for wetland I want to change the properties. Okay, so it's gray in color. You can give some other color. Okay, I think this color is good. I think we can just okay, so this color is chosen for the bill. Okay, that is the wetland. Then if you want to give a width, that is they call it a stroke width. Okay, the color will be black and you can increase the border of the, you see there will be a border all around the polygon. Okay, so you can give this color, then apply. Then okay, see the color has been changed. Okay, similarly we can change the properties of the settlement also. Okay, so I want it to be red in color. Okay, I want this settlement to be red in color. I don't want any like border around this circle, so it's not required. Just click on apply. Then you can increase the size of the this one the circle. So for this you have to click on this one, then you can see the size. You can increase the size in this way. Okay, as you increase it, it will increase the size of the point also. Then click on apply. Then okay, so in this way it has been increased. Okay, so now let us go for the map layout. Okay, we have changed the properties. Now let us go for the map layout. Okay, for map layout we'll go to, okay, now the map has been digitized. Now let us create a map layer. For creating a map layer, go on project, then create a new print layout, then click on this one. Okay, give a name to this one like point, or you can give like topo sheet, any name you can give according to your convenience, like for topo sheet 2. Then click on ok. Okay, so after clicking on ok, it directs us to the layout. Okay, then here you just may choose this particular option, that is fit layout. Okay, now you can also change the this one the layout of the map also by right clicking on this one, then page properties, and this is landscape mode. You can change it to portrait mode if you want. Okay, but I will choose landscape. Now first what I will do, I will add a border to this one. Okay, you can add the shape also. So here add rectangle, any kind of shape you want. So I want to add a border to this map, and within this border what I will do, I will depict my map. মই border এটা দিব বিচাৰিছো আৰু এই border ভিতৰতে কি কৰিম, মই mapখন দেখাম. Okay, now let me just, okay, so now let me add the map. Go to add item, then add map. Okay, now select the area on which you want the map. Okay, so this is the area within which I want to represent my map. Okay, so this is selected. Okay, now see this map will be represented within this grid line or within this frame. And a frame of we have added one more border. Okay, now we can see the feature is too small. Feature বহুত বেছি সৰু হৈ আছে. আমাৰ মেইন এম কি হৈছে, আমি জাস্ট পইণ্ট লাইন আৰু পলিগন ফিচাৰটো দেখাব লাগে. চ' আমি এইখিনি বস্তু যদি আমি জুম কৰি দেখাব পাৰোঁ, that is what is more important right now. Okay, and rest of the part is not required. So what I will do, will zoom this particular area so that these features are very much clearly seen in this particular project. So you need to change the scale. For changing the scale, here you go to this particular option. First select this one and you click on this one. Don't select on the outer boundary. Okay, you need to select on the frame. ओके फ्रेমৰ ভিতৰত সিলেক্ট কৰিব লাগিব বাহিৰত সিলেক্ট কৰিলে নহব বিকজ এইটো হৈছে তোমাৰ চাৰ্ট পেপাৰ বা বৰ্ডাৰটো হৈছে বাট আমাৰ মেপখন কি ফ্ৰেমৰ ভিতৰত আছে এইটো ফ্ৰেমৰ ভিতৰত আছে so here I need to change the scale suppose I'm changing to scale to 11 okay I need to increase it more okay মই এই বৰ্ডাৰ সদৰবোৰ সব মানে তোমাৰ বাহিৰলৈ পঠিয়াই দিম ফ্ৰেমৰ বাহিৰত কিয় বিকজ মই এইখিনিহে লাগে এই বাকী এইবোৰ মোৰ দৰকাৰ নাই অ'কে চ' হোৱাট আই উইল ডু মই আৰু অলপ যদি হেৰি কৰি দিওঁ ছাপ'জ 6 অ'কে let me just move the item for moving the item you need to select this one move item তোমালোকে এনেকৈ আইটেমটো এইটো মুভ কৰিব পাৰিবা অ'কে চ' মোৰ এইম কি হৈছে মোৰ এইখিনি বস্তুহে দেখাব লাগে অ'কে চ' মই যদি আৰু অলপ জুম কৰোঁ অ'কে মই আৰু অলপ জুম কৰিব পাৰিম চ' লেট মি টেক ইট টু বি লাইক 4 অ'কে চ' 4 কৰাৰ লগে লগে এইখিনি বস্তু আৰু অলপ ক্লিয়াৰ হ'ব লাগে ইউ কেন মুভ দি আইটেম ইন দিছ ৱে ৰিভৰ গোটেইখিনি নেদেখালে হ'ব যিহেতু আমাৰ লাইন ফিচাৰটো দেখাবহে লাগে ইমান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট নহয় চ' জাষ্ট দেখাব পাৰিলে হ'ব okay now I think this is good okay this is okay so here we can see এতিয়া যেতিয়া মই ভালকৈ আমি হেৰি কৰি দিলোঁ we can find the this one polygon feature also we can find the point feature also and we can find this line feature also okay now you can if you want to increase the size of this one অলপ সৰু দেখিছে পইণ্টবোৰ তোমালোকে এইটো আৰু সাইজটো ইনক্ৰিজ কৰিব পাৰা সাইজটো ইনক্ৰিজ কৰিবলৈ কি কয় বেক কৰিবা আৰু গৈ পিনে তুমি সেটেলমেণ্টটো এনেকৈ চিলেক্ট কৰি পিনে ইয়াতে প্ৰপাৰ্টিছত গৈ পিনে you can increase the size also let me increase the size little bit more like 2.8 okay then apply and okay click on this one the size will be increased okay the size has been increased in this way you can increase the size of the point also okay now this is over now let us add the grid and the this one latitude and longitude so for this we'll go to this particular option then plus then grid 1 then modify the grid so I need an frame and notation only okay then let me change the coordinate select this one okay you want in degree minute and second with suffix okay then right side left side it should be vertical ascending right side also it should be vertical ascending okay then the map okay jodi tumalke map to swa so map the interval was 94 degree 30 minute so the interval was at this is 30 minute this is 35 minute mane interval to amar ki hot dibo libo minute dibo libo okay so if you see this is 34 degree 30 minute this side we have the 35 minute 40 minutes so the interval is how much it is at 5-minute interval so this is 94 degree 45 minute this is 40 minute this is 35 and this is 30 that means we have to give the interval at 5 minutes okay so therefore what I will do I will change this one only okay let me give it as 5 minutes okay if I give it as 5 minutes okay this one also let me give it as 5 minutes okay then click on ok so we can see this one you can also change it like if like 3 minutes if you want to give you can change it to 3 minutes 3 minutes and this way you can change it okay it's better I will give in 5 minutes okay so 5 minutes okay so in this way we can add the grid and if you want to change the font size just go downward okay here we have the font you can increase the size of the font okay then you can make it bold okay make it bold done okay it's done then one more thing you have to add the tick mark to this one okay so how to add the tick mark this one okay click on frame then here we have you want the exterior tick okay so this is the exterior tick So you want it in like black color, so the thickness, you can increase the thickness also if you want. If you don't want, you can just keep it in this way. Okay, so this is done. And you want to this one increase the size of this grid. Okay, for this you have to go back, and here you have the frame, then click on frame. Then you can increase the size of the frame little bit if you want to increase the thickness. Okay, if you keep on increasing thickness, it will go on increasing. Okay, we don't want much. Okay, so like 0.2 is okay. Okay, now let us add the title. Let me move this one a little bit upwards so that I can add the scale over here. Okay, okay, so I will add this scale here. So for adding this scale, click on this one, then add this scale here. Okay. Then just move it. Okay, then you can increase, you can just change the style. Okay, you want any kilometer. If you want to increase the scale, you can do it in this way. Okay, so it's done. Okay, now I want to add the title. Add the label. Okay, so this is point, line and polygon feature. You can give point, point, line and polygon features. This is how I want. Okay, actually I wanted it in capital form. Okay, so PO and the point, comma, line and polygon feature. PATURES, point, line and polygon feature. Okay, then uh, you can change the font if you want. You can increase the size. Obviously we have to increase the size. Okay, this much is okay. Then make it bold. Okay, then you want it in the center, point, line and polygon feature. Okay. So this is an, okay, this much is enough. You last, what you need to do is you need to add the not error. Select the symbol you want. Select this one. Then fill the color as black. Okay. Then, okay, you can move it to one of the corner. That's it. Okay. Now if you want to add the index, you can add the index, but even if you don't add it, it's okay. But let us add the index also, like legend here. then uncheck this one. You don't want all this, so delete it, minus. Okay, then you want to change this one, you write it as point feature. Okay, so this one is point feature, point, then you can back, then again this one you can change it. This is wetland is for polygon feature, polygon, then go back, then we have this one, this is line. Okay, give the legend as legend legend. Then click on font text and this one, then the title should be a little bit bigger. Oh no, it's okay, this size is okay, then make it bold. Okay, then we have the, we can make the size little bit more smaller. Okay, done. Then we have the item, let us first make it bold. Okay, then decrease the size little bit. Now let us do one thing. যেহেতু অলপ জায়গা, since we have less space over here, so we'll do one thing, we'll just broaden up this border, this side also. Okay, then let me move this one little bit upward. Okay, then let me make this one little bit more smaller. Okay, then bring this legend downward. So it's done. Okay, so this is how we can show, or you can create a map layout and just focus on the point, line and polygon feature. Okay, then after this one just click on save. Okay, then it's done. Okay, thank you everyone. This is the okay. After this you can export this map once you have saved it, so export it as image. Okay, now if I export it, it will be exported. Where you want to save it, you want to save it in this particular folder, that is in this particular folder it is being saved. So I'll give the name as point, line and polygon, then click on save. Okay, so this has been saved, and if you just go to this folder, you can, okay, so this process how we can do it.